on, world?
We're on tape. How are you?
I got clean. We don't want calories on this trip.
What's up?
Hey. What up, man?
Hey. So yeah, this is my breakfast right now. Kinda hungry. Nice beautiful day. Can we turn around?
Yeah, let's see.
Nice beautiful day. We kinda want to jump in the pool, but
We should.
I think it's kinda cold.
Yeah. Listen.
Oh.
Yeah. Get your morning bok.
Okay. Here at Baka.
Bok.
Yeah.
Yo, we gotta drink this. We gotta drink some.
We have a special guest today.
We're
Where are
going
we
to
going?
Portugal.
I don't know. Let's go explore around the area and then come back.
So this is the vlog to tell you that we're going
Yeah,
to
we're gonna grab some food and then come back. Let's take a shit and then we're checking out. That's the plan.
So,
Get your box on.
all day! All day! Oh, I shouldn't say it.
Yeah, you shouldn't say it.
Okay, all days.
So we're
Now we put on the shades.
the three amigos. We're gonna go explore.
Yeah.
I'll get starring Gigi.
Yeah.
Where are we going? To the beach? Well, I guess we'll walk towards the beach. I don't know. We might head up somewhere else in between, I guess.
Let's go somewhere nice.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we can pick up stuff.
Are we going down the stairs?
Yeah. Are you sure?
You serious?
Alright.
Okay. Sometimes it's good to have Gigi.
Check out the botany on that.
Because Gigi know what's going on while John and I were just, you know.
Just what do the people call it nowadays? Like being ratchet and stuff.
You're not ratchet, man.
Yeah, show them the botany over there.
Huh?
Show them the botany over there.
Oh, okay.
What's botany?
So this is where we're walking.
Botany, I think. Is that a botany, botany, or Bolton?
Anyway.
So Bolton. Yo, we Bolton it.
Yo, look at my hair. It's like bouncing. Whoa! It's not really much.
It's not really much. Look at that.
But yeah, I think that's the. What sea is that, John?
It's the. Yeah, that thing.
Is it actually? Yeah, Portugal's off the Atlantic.
Yeah, but that might just.
Yeah, but what's that
might be
area
a bay.
that crosses? Yeah, that's true.
It might be a straight.
We'll search that out for you. We'll let you know later. All right. Show us how to use this thing.
I think so. So this one, you go through the loop, and this one, just try to balance yourself. And this one, you go through the loop again. And this one, you go through the loop.
Well, that rope thing right there.
Oh, this rope thing, you go through the loop. All right. That's the whole. Oh, this thing.
Go through the loop.
Just kind of climb on it.
And that's how you do it.
We're at the beach.
We made it, and now we're at the beach. Okay, I'm just gonna show everyone. Try, John, try.
Yeah, I'm gonna fall off this edge.
And then like 小咗嗰個再轉頭。
No. And then, Gigi, get back in here. Yeah.
There we go.
Is it really dark?
Yeah, I can't really see anything.
Anyway,
That's the beach.
this is the beach. So we're gonna grab a drink over there at the bar thing.
The crusts are really nice today.
What? So I'm getting some freshly squeezed orange juice. You know what I'm saying? Fresh orange juice from Algarve. You know what I'm saying? They have these machines almost like everywhere, so I guess they drink fresh orange juice in South Tropicana.
They must have a
you know
lot
what
of
I'm saying?
oranges.
Lots of oranges.
Loads of it.
Izuna too. That's awesome. I need to buy one of these back to Canada.
Yeah, let's just get one of these machines. Fresh orange juice every day. So we're just chilling here now. Orange juice, ice cream. Wish we woke up a bit earlier, but
You can't go you can't go see yourself.
we're getting food.
You wanna? We have 15 minutes before the head back.
We found a really cool pool.
Yeah.
It has like, what is that thing called? Infinity thing?
Infinity pool?
Yeah. So it's pretty sick. But too bad we don't have time because we gotta check out. We just checked out.
What's up? What's up?
Hey guys.
Hey. So we're.
I'm using this one.
Hell yeah. We just checked out. We're heading back to the beach because these other three didn't go, so we want to show them. And then we're going to another beach. It's nicer apparently. So yeah, it's gonna be good.
Yeah. Let's go. Football.
Oh!
Football.
Good job, man.
That's how you live life, man.
All right, we just finished a game of soccer.
Football.
Hey guys.
Hey.
Football.
So we're heading back. Not heading back. We're joining the girls. I think they went down to the beach already. So
Ice cream, beer, football.
football,
Life.
life. But yeah, we're living the dream, right? Maybe.
Yeah, no mas.
One,
Oh,
two,
yes,
right?
mas. Yes, mas. Sí, mas. Sí, mas. Hola.
Hola.
Okay, you be in the middle.
We're at the water.
Hey guys.
Hey. Yeah, we're just doing a 360 because that's how we do. You know what I'm saying?
On a beach.
On a beach.
Beach.
Okay, let's try to record the girls.
Girls doing girl stuff.
Girl doing girl things, doing jump pictures. You know, we're not jealous.
Yo, want to draw something in the sand?
No, let's do it. We're gonna draw something,
You have a stick?
and then we'll show you later. So, forgot about you.
Just had this fish.
Hey guys.
Amazing.
So,
He said
so
something.
we actually already finished eating. We didn't show you the food,
Yeah, we forgot to vlog this time.
but it was really good. We were really hungry.
Potatoes were on point too.
Yeah.
We'll insert picture.
Well, insert picture here. I'm just kidding. But
Yeah, click our link right here.
click on the link right here.
Subscribe.
But yeah. And then after this, we're gonna go to another beach.
Yeah, we are. It's gonna be beautiful.
After we get coffee.
Oh, take a picture of the cat.
I already.
Oh, did you take a? Was it?
There's a cat.
You see the cat? There's a cat. Where's the cat? It's like right there. Just a cat chilling. What's up?
But I didn't eat it.
We met Juan.
Hey guys.
Hey. What's up?
Blocks back.
So yeah, we met Juan.
Juan, that's his name now.
We're taking some weird path towards some other beach. It's kind of sketchy here. Look at this big ass building that's kind of old. Like, what is this? It's like half.
I don't think they finished building.
Yeah, that's what I said too,
left it
man.
here.
Same with that one down there.
Yeah.
Something must have happened here.
But yeah, I mean, this is the only old building. Like, everywhere else is just nice houses.
You think it's haunted?
I think we're on 8 Mile.
8 Mile.
Oh shit, I'm loosening this thing. So I think that's for the rich ass people and this is for the poor people. I don't know. I guess it just got turned into some like resort retirement place. I think when we come in the summer, there'll be a lot more young people. Because that's what the skydiver guy said. He was like, "Oh yeah, very, very, very hot women, beautiful women." That is not a Portuguese accent.
I think you even said that.
No, he did say that. He told me.
He said lots
Like,
of
oh, shit.
girls.
Lots of girls. Oh, same shit. Whatever. So Gigi is making us take this path across some cliffs. Oh, looks really nice actually.
It's not a bad slide.
Yeah, do you want to go first? Do it. I'll give you a push.
We're in Portugal.
I guess.
What's up? Where are we? We're at the edge of somewhere, but
We're on a
really
cliff
nice. Okay, guys,
There's
let's turn.
little caves.
Let's turn. Show them the cave.
Don't turn off the cliff.
That cave.
Look at that. Oh, look at that. Look at that formation. That rock formation, you know? Alright, let's go to the other side over there. Yeah, over there. All the way. So. No, yeah, those cliffs right there.
Oh, that sounds
That's
right
Look at my face. What's up? But yeah,
All day.
just chilling. The breeze is
day.
so nice. It's not warm. It's not too cold. It's not too hot. It's like perfect. It's perfect, man.
Wear shirts and stuff.
Yeah. The boat is really slow. It's slowly going into his mouth.
Oh, so you have to start.
Close your mouth.
Shut
Close
your
your
mouth.
mouth.
Oh.
Okay, open up again.
It's going in.
And then close.
Close your mouth. Oh my god.
We found a secret path, and we're now above
The rock.
the rock that we were taking pictures of.
Yeah.
We're so cool.
It's like a new perspective.
I know, right? And we're the only
On
ones.
life.
We're the only ones here. What's up? What's up?
What's up?
360. Love it.
It's been
Like just from the ocean. But yeah, it's been good. We booked it and we almost missed our train. It's 5 o'clock right now. The car leaves at 5:01, so 5:01, and we made it, guys. We booked it.
Yes, sir.
Hey guys.
And we made it.
That was so cute.
Our cab driver was driving super fast. It was
Oh, yo,
crazy.
he was a
He has
savior.
a nos. He
Yeah.
has a nos.
Yes, nice. I need to face the other way because I don't like going backwards.
Yo, the selfie stick broke,
Yeah, I broke my selfie stick,
but
but
now
then I
it's-
fixed it
yeah.
because I'm awesome. You know what I'm saying? Oh, I'll be right back. Alright, we're back. But I fixed the stick. I had to get a new one. Well, not the stick itself, but like the holder.
Oh.
Anyway, we made it to Tunes.
Oh man, that was
That was an epic
Yeah.
adventure. You know what I'm saying?
so clutch.
Hey guys.
Hey.
Hey.
So yeah, we're back. I think. Are we heading to? Do we need to head to the other side? I guess so. I'm gonna take the train. Take the train back to Lisbon. And
It's like, what's up?
take it from there. We just got
There's
back.
a British flag on the picture.
Wait, did we vlog before this? Oh yeah, we did. All
On
right.
the subway.
So we took the subway to Restaurant
They have like
Rotores.
crusted barbecue chicken.
This whole area with tons of restaurants.
Is there like different chickens?
They're like on the streets saying, trying to get us to the
So
restaurant,
we're
but
thinking fried
we already picked the
codfish,
place.
smoked
We're ordering right
ham,
now.
Then like two chicken.
That's our
I
waiter.
don't want to have cream
Just
cheese.
chilling, waiting for us. We're getting our chicken on.
Do you see anything else?
That's cool, John. Don't say
Hey, guys.
anything. Hey.
Hey.
Hi.
Hey. Wow, hater.
Amazing.
But yeah. Yeah. Well.
Oh yeah.
We'll be back after we
we're
order.
gonna be eating Portuguese chicken.
Dude, I said that already.
Take over.
No, you're not taking it. We're taking over.
These are the umbrellas. We're at Starbucks.
Hey.
Lisbon.
Yeah.
Lisboa.
You know, because not because we're on Starbucks, just because we just want to get these cups from everywhere. You know. I don't know if you can hear me, but I said I want to get these cups from everywhere I go. Yeah. Oh, how was dinner?
Oh, it's great. We had chicken.
Yeah.
Green spinach was. It's okay.
It was good.
The chicken was
It was good.
Chile.
We're back home. It feels like home. That's why Airbnb is awesome, because we all feel like the same. We're all
Yo, what about Walking
third girl?
Walking Dead?
We're
His wife.
we're arguing about who's who in each show.
She died.
First we did Friends, and then How I Met Your Mother.
What?
You're Ted's wife.
Why?
Ted's wife?
Because you're the most like Ted's wife, I think.
How?
Oh, she likes umbrellas.
No, I don't.
Oh.
I like him.
You like art.
No.
I do. I love her yellow.
No, I think we should.
Yeah.
I think we
I've
should
got
be.
it.
We should be the Walking Dead.
Tracy Mosby.
Oh yeah, Tracy is name.
Tracy is.
Are we done? Can we all say hi?
Hi. This is really important. He
Hey guys.
Are we?
Hey.
had to walk out and come back.
But yeah, we're back. So
We're home.
we're gonna watch our skydiving video
sweet.
on the Xbox. We'll try to.
Lisbon, Portugal.
Alright, shotgun Gigi's first.
Jeez.